We've come to the world's smallest proper railway to do a really big trick. Told you it was small. And Steve's asked Georgia to come along to help.
Here we have a train with 5 carriages. We have carriage number 1, carriage number 2. Inside carriage number 3 is our very own Georgia. Give us a wave, Georgia. We have carriage number 4 and finally carriage number 5. You're going to love this trick.
We are going to do the impossible. We're going to make carriage number 3 in the middle of the train disappear. And we're going to make Georgia vanish with it. Think it's impossible? Well, just watch. The train is gathering speed. Keep watching as it passes behind the screen. Is Georgia's carriage number 3 still there? Remember, the train had 5 carriages. How many now? I can only see 4. There's carriage number 1 and number 2. And there are numbers 4 and 5. But carriage number 3 and Georgia have completely disappeared.
I don't know where it's gone, but I've got a feeling that it's quite some distance away.
Well, it's not there, that's for sure. A great trick, worth seeing again. The train sets off with 5 carriages and passes behind the screen. But now there are only 4, and the middle one, number 3 with Georgia, has vanished.